Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here. Today I'm going to show you how to do this ribbing. It is so simple and it looks so uniform and just so neat and tidy, I think, and it's quite thick, so I think it would keep its shape quite well. The other side is exactly the same. So nice. Right, I'm going to show you. So what you need is multiples of 2 plus 2 edge stitches. So I'm going to cast on 8 stitches. You can cast on any way you like. You don't have to cast on the way I cast on. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 stitches. Now, I always slip my first one, or I try to. Can't say always. Then you get ready to purl. So you purl 2 stitches, 1, 2. Slip the last one you purled off to this needle, yarn behind, slip the stitch back on, yarn in front to purl again. 1, 2. Slip the stitch off, yarn behind, stitch on, ready to purl again. 1, 2. Stitch off, yarn behind, stitch on, yarn in front, purl my last stitch. That's as easy as that, and each row is exactly the same. Let's do the second row. So slip my first stitch, get ready to purl. Purl 2, 1, 2. Slip the last stitch that you purled off, yarn behind, slip your stitch back on, yarn in front, ready to purl. 1, 2. Slip your stitch off, yarn behind, on, yarn in front, ready to purl again. 1, 2. Same again. Purl your last stitch. And that is how it's done. You can't see much because it's only 8 stitches, and I didn't want to end up casting on a heap of stitches and you're going, oh, this is taking ages. But you can just see it there starting. I'll bring the larger one back in. There it is. So nice. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment if you wish, and hope you enjoyed it. Happy knitting.